guys, Safety Line Institute. So you thought that I wasn't going to be doing videos, but I am. I'm in Florida right now. It's nice out here, so I thought I'd do it outside on my deck. And I've got some models here, so I'm just going to quickly do the video on these. Now, a few announcements. First up, I am going to be starting a brand new web series. It was going to be whenever I launched Buses Weekly, but no. So it's going to feature me, another person, Bus Lover 333 is his name, and one other person who I am currently working on to see if he wants to join the little club. So we're gonna launch that soon. So I've also got videos from the car ride up here. I've got some CSX train videos for all of y'all who are interested. And I've also got some government buses that I'm not going to say anything further, but I'm sure y'all will be interested once that happens. Alright, so we're just going to do a quick little video on these. I'm not going to talk because last time it happened, the talking got cut out. So this is Bus 365. It's a 2006 ICBE Special Ed. So yeah. Bus on the water, bus on the water. This is bus 783. It's a 1998 Bluebird International. It's also a bank. Thanks for watching.